Hello, my name is Dave Lundquist, Automation Engineer in the Automation Center at Omron. In this video, I will be showing you Omron's MX-Z Series fiber laser marker demo with the TM Series collaborative robot, going over the technology it uses, and then highlighting its features, typical applications, and how it can be used to create a broad range of automation solutions for many industries. First of all, I'd like to point out that this laser marker demo shows Omron's broad portfolio of technologies, including fiber laser marking, control, robotics, inspection, sensors, and safety. But speaking more specifically to the technologies in this demo, we'll first start with the MX-Z fiber laser marker, which is used to permanently and directly mark product or packages for traceability purposes. Then we have the NY5 IPC with integrated NJ controller and custom HMI interface that's used for recipe selection and storing information in a database. Next is the FH Vision system, which is typically used for adjusting the laser marker based on part position and for checking the marking quality. The TM robot for part picking or placing and palletizing. The OS32C safety area scanner for customized safety zones, and the handheld V410 high-resolution barcode reader, which is used to read difficult and small barcodes for a broad range of applications. Some of the benefits you will get from using this solution are being able to permanently and consistently mark with very fine detail on a variety of materials and complex shapes, automatically detect part orientation with integrated vision, so no fixturing is needed, save panel space with the NY5 and integrated controller, the ability to create custom interface and database connectivity, safeguard your machine with the flexibility of the safety area scanner, and get high-resolution readability and fast code reading of challenging, hard-to-read barcodes with a compact reader. You also have the flexibility for quick changeover from one application to another. What makes this particular solution different than others like it is that it offers comprehensive solutions for traceability, control, vision, inspection, safety, and product handling that is easy to integrate, is scalable and flexible. It offers precise laser marking and coding with collaborative product handling that makes machine tending easy through Omron's industrial automation solutions. Now I would like to demonstrate the laser marker demo with the TM collaborative robot. So first I'm going to use the V410 handheld barcode reader to scan a barcode that contains information that will be printed on the product. The information appears here on the IPC. This information can also be taken and put into a database for traceability. Now I'll press the start button and the handshaking between the laser marker and the robot will start. The TM robot will go and look at the landmark on the pallet to find the position of the first tin in the pallet. It'll take the tin, bring it over and place it into the laser marker. Once the part is in position, the FH Vision system will detect the orientation of the part, so no fixturing is needed. The laser marker will then begin etching the part with the information that was entered with the barcode. Once the lasing is finished, the TM robot will pick up the tin and bring it over so the operator can retrieve it.